If you run a mobile car wash in Las Vegas, effective SEO can drive more calls and bookings by connecting you with local, on-the-go customers searching for convenient service. Local SEO is crucial in Vegas, where dense neighborhoods and frequent tourists mean most customers want quick, nearby options. To stand out, it's vital to rank in Google's map packs and local search results, targeting both informational and transactional search intent, like how to remove stains, or book mobile detailing now. Build dedicated service pages that clearly explain your offerings and pricing, and create location pages for specific neighborhoods to capture hyperlocal searches. Since most searches happen on phones, your website must load fast and look great on mobile. Use relevant keywords such as mobile car wash Las Vegas and eco-friendly mobile detailing, and optimize page titles, images, and calls to action for every service. Don't overlook structured data and Google Business Profile optimization. Both boost your visibility in local searches. Consistent business listings and positive reviews also help build trust with customers and search engines. Finally, pair seasonal promotions, paid ads, and partnerships with local businesses to keep your schedule full and grow your brand in the competitive Las Vegas market.